But happy Mother's Day to everyone out there
And it
today.
was a beautiful day because we thought it might rain a little bit, but really not. We didn't see much.
No, I mean, anywhere near Seguin, there was a few showers around out towards Hallettsville, LaGrange, but it really wasn't in San Antonio.
Right.
And that's good. It's not bad because we were expecting a lot of rain, but it kind of fell short. So we have more rain in the forecast. Let's talk about it on this Mother's Day. And we are looking at a mostly cloudy sky. And look how much rainfall we picked up so far since the start of spring, which was in the middle of March, 7.95 inches of rain. And a bulk of that has happened this spring, and our total for 2023 is 10.7 inches of rain, specifically here in San Antonio. So it's been a nice start to the year, and we have more rain in the forecast, not until tomorrow, which we'll dive into detail in just a little bit. 86 feels like 88 because it's so humid outside. We have a northeast wind at 5 miles an hour, but it's still pretty calm outside, mostly cloudy, and not much rain out there. We saw a few showers again east of 35, east of Bexar County. It's really been the warmth of the big story today. As a matter of fact, we're at 90 at Pearsall, 90 out near Cotulla, upper 80s across the region, lower 80s in the hill country from Bernie, the Rock Springs at 81 to about 82 in Fredericksburg. Here's the radar, just clouds and a nice couple of breaks in the sky between here, Pleasanton, Gonzales. Really not much action, but it was farther east where the spinning area of low pressure starting to produce some pretty good rainfall for Dallas, northeast Texas. I-45 between there and Beaumont, the Golden Triangle towards, let's say, western Louisiana. That's where the rainfall has been really abundant all day long. And in San Antonio, it was in short supply. We didn't see anything. In Seguin, we did. In San Marcos and up I-35, we saw a few showers, but nothing here in the city. Tonight's forecast, we say dry. 83 at 7. Sundown will be around 8:15, 8:20 tonight. Upper 70s. And as a matter of fact, because of so much moisture in the air, there will be some showers overnight, but mostly after 2 a.m., maybe a sprinkle. But the better chance at rain in the forecast for tomorrow is between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. tomorrow. You'll notice between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock, a few scattered storms are going to get going with the heating of the day. And it looks like in the next 7 days, that's our best chance at rain. It starts to trend down Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And let me show you how this plays out on future radar. By tonight, it's cloudy. There may be a few sprinkles and areas of patchy fog tomorrow morning, like this right here, but nothing too impressive. But by tomorrow afternoon, here is when it gets a little active on the radar. By 12, 12:30, 1, 2 o'clock, a few showers, a scattering of rain forms out to the south and then moves farther north towards Highway 90, Bexar County, towards the hill country. It's not going to be everywhere, but again, that scattering of rain is in the forecast for tomorrow afternoon as high temperatures max out in the middle to upper 80s here in the area. Now, the upper level pattern, this ridge of high pressure starts to back off to the south. This low, which has been responsible for giving us just kind of waves of rain randomly every single day, it starts to move farther south, but what kind of shuts it off is this ridge, and that produces more heat and less rain in the forecast. But at least through tomorrow and Tuesday, this pattern's in place, and what that's going to do is continue with the chance at rain for the next couple days. But again, it backs off, and in its place, here comes the heat. High temperature near 88 on Thursday, 90 on Friday, partly cloudy as we wrap up the work week. But tomorrow, just expect a few showers, a scattering of rain between about lunchtime and 3 p.m. Scattered storms, highs in the 80s. With more heat on the way, at least, highs near 90 on Friday.